Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Expansion. Alright, this afternoon, call back Tuesday. Today, I would like to invite a lot of tourists from United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Europe, Africa, Middle East, because I would like to promote Aceh 5 countries. You know what? If you go somewhere like United States, it's like gonna be from North Carolina or California. You know what? The same very totally life with the language, and then you call that look what they here. You know the same like Europe. You know what? This is very totally. You couldn't imagine it life. I just something you know what, and go somewhere like the mountain, the same like Himalaya mountain. And then the forest, Amazon, they sell like that. So you know where I'm here right now. It's called Pantai Lhok, and the other place is language very tall, beautiful. Then the other place is Rombo. You know what? Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I myself, as tourist guide or YouTuber or vlogger, I would like to visit or to promote Aceh 5 countries. United States, United Kingdom, Asia, Africa, Australia, including America. You know what? 5 countries. No, 1 by 1 or 2, 3 or 4. Nope, that's 5 countries. Alright, don't forget like, subscribe. No, please you have to see me live because you see where the blue water. You know what? The blue water you can't swim in here, right? Please you have to think that. That's up to you.